Look at this. Most people see trash, but I see a legend hidden under this dirt. This Scania tanker is completely destroyed. Every part is broken. Can we actually save this? Or it is too late. The journey is long, so stay with me. You won't believe how this ends. This is much harder than I thought. The rust is everywhere. One wrong move and this whole thing could break forever. Look at the detail. We have to fix every tiny screw. To take it. It's taking hours, but we cannot stop now. We have halfway there. Now for the paint. This is the moment of truth. If the paint is not perfect, all this hard work is wasted. Watch closely. Now for the paint. This is the moment of truth. If the paint is not perfect, all this hard work is wasted. Watch closely. This is our biggest and most intensive project yet. We spent hours restoring this completely destroyed oil tanker Roy. from the deep cleaning to complete engine repair and premium point job. For every second of this, do you think we save it until the end to see the shocking final result? Rest- Restoring a damaged oil tanker to full working conditions. Skilled workers repair the tanker body and engine. Heavy machines in the progress on a fuel transport truck. Welding and fixing the tanker for the safe road use. Professional repairs work on an industrial oil tanker. Bring an oil tanker back to life. Finally, the last piece are going back. It's been a long road, but look at transformations. Finally, the all Work completely done. Are you ready for the final review? Finally, the last piece are going back. It has been a long road, but look at transformations. Are you ready for the final reveals? 3, 2, 1. Wow, look at this shine. This is not just a toy anymore. It's a masterpiece. If you love this ribbon, hit the if you love this ribbon, hit this like button right now. You are parts of the nations.